Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Huawei. First of all, you need to open App Gallery and install your new defaults. In my case, Opera browser with free VPN. When your app is ready, go into Devices Settings. In Settings, scroll down to access Apps and Services. Then click on Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click over here. Tap on Opera to set it up. Click on Change in the pop-up and lastly tap on Home button. As you can see when I do that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!